Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can delete a bookmark on the home screen of your iPhone. So I'm just going to press share here, and for instance, I'm going to go down and I'm going to select add to home screen. I'm just going to press add. Then in the home screen, I want to remove this bookmark or website or whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to select the bookmark there. Then I'm going to select delete bookmark. Select delete again. And that's pretty much it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is how you can remove a bookmark from your home screen. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!